To enter a custom food, you're going to just go down here to the little target menu, and you're going to click on foods, and then you go to create a new custom food. Then you're going to follow your nutrition label down for whatever food item you have. You just follow it right down, and you enter each of the nutrients as it appears on the label, and then hit save. Once you hit save, it'll be in your custom foods, and you can find that by going to your custom foods, and they will be alphabetized. Now, to remove a food from any area, all you do is hit the little X right beside it and then delete. Now, if you need to change the amount, if you really had, say, 150 grams of your apple, all you would do is click on apple, and then you can scroll your little wheel to wherever you need to, and then click update, and there it just updated the amount of grams were in that apple. And if you actually had logged your, say you logged your apple under your snack, but you really meant to put it under your lunch, I'll show you how to easily move that. If you just click on the item you'd like to move, all you have to do is use the little right hand scrolly bar here, and you can change it to, we're going to say we changed it to lunch. So now it'll just move your apple up to your lunch. And you can do that with any item. So if you want to make your logging a little easier on yourself, I have the same breakfast, so it makes logging really simple. I'm going to show you how to copy and paste from one day to another. So we're going to copy my breakfast. I'm going to touch the screen and hold it until you can see it's highlighted and you see copy. But first I'm going to hold that little blue dot down until I have everything highlighted that I want to copy. And then I'm going to hit copy, and then I'm going to scroll to the next day. And then I'm going to just hold my thumb anywhere on the screen until I see the little paste button, and then I'm going to touch that, and it just logged my breakfast. Now you can actually do that with an entire day if you'd like. You can hold down until you see copy, and you can actually say select all, and it would select your entire day if you wanted to copy everything. One really neat thing about the app is I like it has this little wheel breakdown here of your total calories and fat and protein. So if you click on that, this is right at the top of the screen, right under the date. If you click right on your calories, you're going to see this little wheel pop up, and this was what I had yesterday. So you can see I had a total of 1,356 calories. Lots of carbs in there, a good amount of protein, 90 grams, and some fat. My fat could have been a little bit higher there, but it was at 15. Now, if you can actually view your nutrients for each of your meals too. You can see right beside breakfast, there's that little button, and it gives you a breakdown of how many calories are in your breakfast, the grams of carbs, protein, and fat. And you could do the same thing with lunch, and see each one of those if you'd like. So if you'd like to know a little bit more about each nutrient and what foods you have that are contributing, you can actually click right on the letter. So I clicked on the letter, and this is showing me all the foods I have so far that I've logged and how much cholesterol is in there. So far I've only have my breakfast logged, but you can look at any other nutrients and see what's in there. And then when you are done and you want to go back to your meal plan, you hit cancel, and it brings you right back to your meal plan.